Hello judges, I am Omkar from Team Code Squads. This is our project AltSys, a one-stop solution to analyze your finances effectively. This login screen is the gateway to our web app where I'll have to enter my phone number and my name and proceed. This will take me to the Setu aggregators page where I'll have to authenticate myself and provide my consent. So I'll click on begin. Now it will authenticate me with my OTP, but since I've already done that moments ago, it has cached my consent, so I don't have to re-authenticate again. I'll select the bank accounts I require. So I'll select the accounts which I've already OTP verified, so I don't have to re-authenticate again. I'll click on proceed. This is the overview. I'll click on approve request. Okay, so we have successfully approved the consent. This will redirect me back to our web app. So it will show us the status of our consent, and as you can see it is showing success. So our consent is successfully approved. We can go to the dashboard. This is our dashboard where we analyze and visualize all the financial data. It is available both in light and dark themes. Over here we can see all our bank accounts that we have approved earlier. Each card shows the account details like bank name, account number, name and bank balance. Now we are gathering all this data and converting it into pie chart to show the balance distribution. So our net balance is 3,41,000, out of which 1,61,000 is contributed by this and 87k by this. So this is a good visual representation of the balance distribution. Now for each bank account you can also view the additional data like account type, PAN card and address. In addition to that, the Setu API also provides us with the recent transactions which you can which are available over here. We can click on a transaction and see more details about it. This green indicator over here indicates that it is a credit type of transaction, while this red one indicates it's a debit transaction. Each transaction has a reference transaction ID, narration type and current balance. Now we are using this transaction data of all the accounts and calculating the top transactions you have top UPI transactions you have done. So as you can see, for the given duration with this UPI you have transacted 78,000 rupees for that duration. So this is the mostly transacted UPI. Similarly, this one you have transacted around 50,000 rupees. So this is a leaderboard of the top transacted UPIs based on the total amount you have transacted. Now based on all this data, we are also preparing a savings chart where we show how much amount you have saved each month. So in this month you save 7.4k, then 5k, then 9.8k and so on. All this data we are also aggregating it to calculate the average of each monthly savings. Now we have also developed an algorithm that uses all the data we used for this monthly savings and predict the loan amount you can avail for the given duration. So I'll change the slider to let's say 4 years and it will show me the permissible loan amount that I can get. So our algorithm says that I can get 3,36,000 as a loan if I want to repay it in 4 years at the interest rate of 12%. So this was our web app, judges. We look forward to include equities, term deposit and a lot more financial assets using other data APIs into this project to make it even more vast. Thank you PhonePe and Setu Aggregator API for providing this opportunity. Regards.